You're probably wasting money on AI tokens right now. Most people just pick a model and start using it. No idea what they're actually paying per request. Token pricing varies by hundreds of % across providers, and the difference between a smart choice and a lazy one could cost you thousands a month. A token is roughly 4 characters, or about 3/4 of a word. So a 1,000-word document. That's around 1,300 tokens. Input and output tokens are often priced differently, and output usually costs more. Way more. GPT-4o from OpenAI runs about $5 per million input tokens and $15 per million output. Claude 3.5 Sonnet from Anthropic? Similar range, around $3 input and $15 output. These aren't pocket change when you're running thousands of API calls. But here's where it gets wild. Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash charges just $0.075 per million input tokens. That's not a typo. You could run roughly 66 times more input through Flash than through GPT-4o for the same price. Context window size matters too, and it changes the math completely. Gemini 1.5 Pro handles up to 2 million tokens in a single context window. Compare that to GPT-4o's 128K. If you're processing long documents, the cost per task flips dramatically. Caching is the secret weapon most people ignore. Both Anthropic and Google offer prompt caching, which can slash repeated input costs by up to 90%. If you're sending the same system prompt thousands of times a day, you're leaving serious money on the table. Smaller models aren't always worse for your use case. GPT-4o Mini costs about 15 times less than full GPT-4o and handles most straightforward tasks just fine. Routing simple queries to cheaper models and complex ones to premium models. That's the real strategy. Open source models running on your own infrastructure change everything again. Llama 3 through a provider like Grok runs at fractions of a cent per million tokens. You trade some setup complexity for massive cost reduction. Worth it if volume is your problem. But here's the question nobody asks. Are you measuring quality per dollar or just quality alone? A model that's twice as expensive but only 10% more accurate on your specific task is a bad deal. Benchmark on your data, not just leaderboards. Batch APIs are another overlooked lever. OpenAI's batch mode gives you 50% off standard pricing if you don't need real-time responses. If you're doing analysis, summarization, or classification overnight, you're basically burning money by not using it. Rate limits and latency are part of the real cost too. A cheaper model that times out under load or slows your product down has hidden costs. Always factor in reliability and throughput, not just the price per token number on the pricing page. Here are your 3 biggest takeaways. 1. Output tokens almost always cost more than input, so optimize what your model generates. 2. Caching and batch APIs can cut costs by 50 to 90% if you use them. 3. Routing queries by complexity across multiple models is how serious builders keep costs low without sacrificing quality. Which AI provider are you currently using for API calls? And have you actually compared it against alternatives for your specific use case?